Hey, Wonderfuls. I wanted to show you the quick, cheap, and easy way I chose to insulate my van. This simple and affordable trick makes a world of difference. Moving blankets. The blankets and the bonus ceiling finish were super easy to install and can be taken down eventually should I change it or decide to put some wiring in behind. I doubled up the blankets on the walls and screwed through some metal strapping to secure it in place and form around the contours of the van. This also helped the screws from just tearing through the blanket. For the roof, I needed a quick and easy solution that didn't take up too much headroom and was a little more forgiving than the metal in case I did bump my head. I laid down some strips of carpet tape just to hold the blanket in place briefly. I'm not sure how long it would last on its own, but I just needed it to stay still until I put the coroplast up. The coroplast was so easy to work with and can be cut and bent to shape, and then gives a pretty decent finish that's easy to clean. I found a 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of this at the hardware store for under $40, and there were a few color options available. I put some mirrored decals on it just to brighten it up a bit, but plain looked nice too, I thought. Using very easy to work with and cheap materials. Doesn't cost much to stay warm this winter while you're camping or living in your van. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed and would like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. Be good, stay safe, and stay warm.